Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to take control of your spending? Let's set up Cash App spending goals and watch your budget stay on track. So what are the spending goals? Spending goals help you to manage your money smarter by setting limits on how much you want to spend in a specific categories or overall, helping you to stay on the track and save. And here's how to set up your spending goals in Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone, then tap profile icon at the top right corner, scroll down and select spending goals or budget depending on your app version. Then tap create new goal. Then enter a goal name such as grocery, entertainment, or monthly spend and set your spending limit amount for the goal and choose the limit period such as weekly, monthly, or custom and then save the goal. Here's how to monitor and adjust your goal. Track your spending progress directly in the app. If you exceed your goal, Cash App may send notifications to alert you. And you can edit or delete the goals anytime from the spending goals menu. And here are the tips for effective for your spending goal. First, be realistic with your amount. Second, use categories that reflect your main spending habits. And lastly, review your goals monthly and adjust as need. And that's it. With spending goals, managing your money become easy and intentional. Every dollar counts.